quiet of the evening mist, your voice breaks through the silence there. Every word a tender embrace, love in every little trace. Your eyes tell secrets never known. In your arms I found my home. Every moment feels just right, holding you so close tonight. Whispers in the rain so sweet, heartbeats in a gentle beat, love that's growing every day. In your touch I find my way. Your smile casts away my fears, healing wounds from all these years. Every glance a magic spell. In your love I now dwell. Whispers in the rain so sweet, heartbeats in a gentle beat, love that's growing every day. In your touch I find my way. Through the storms and through the calm, in your embrace I find my balm. Together we will rise and shine. In your love I see the sign.